Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Condors. The California condor is the largest flying bird in North America. Its wings may stretch nearly 10 feet from tip to tip. When in flight, this huge bird glides on air currents to soar as high as a dizzying 15,000 feet. Condors were sacred birds to the Native Americans who lived in the open spaces of the U.S. West.
Let's help you make your mark.
1. Andean condor. The Andean condor, an endangered species, is considered the largest bird of prey with an enormous wingspan measuring 3 meters (9.8 feet) and weighing up to 15 kgs (33.1 pounds). They primarily live in mountainous regions where there is an abundant amount of wind to help their massive body in flight.
Take our lead.
Albatrosses are masters of soaring flight, able to glide over vast tracts of ocean without flapping their wings. So fully have they adapted to their oceanic existence that they spend the first 6 or more years of their long lives, which last upwards of 50 years, without ever touching land.
Take our lead.
The peregrine falcon. But first, some background. The peregrine falcon is indisputably the fastest animal in the sky. It has been measured at speeds above 83.3 meters per second, 186 miles per hour, but only when stooping, or diving. 21 November 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.